Folding beach chair with backpack carry straps, 4-position reclining ventilated mesh backrest, and collapsible sunshade. Folding beach chair. Perfect for relaxing by the water, this beach backpack chair featuring a 4-position reclining backrest and an adjustable canopy provides comfortable, portable seating for the beach or other outdoor events. Sunshade canopy adjusts from front to back and collapses when not in use. Built-in beverage holder keeps drinks nearby. Quality construction. Constructed from sturdy aluminum and steel, this backpack chair boasts a built-in beverage holder, a comfortable head pillow, and ventilated seating with mesh paneling. Backpack straps for hands-free carrying. Large storage pocket holds essentials for water sports, outdoor activities, festivals, and sporting events. Top reviews from the United States. Buy this chair. Updated. Update. I've now had this chair almost a year, and I've read the other reviews. I still stand by my initial review below. This chair is worth every penny. This chair is awesome. A little stiff when first opening the chair, but I am in love. My husband is completely wheelchair bound, so I have to push him in a beach wheelchair over the sand. This backpack chair is light and easy to carry. I also love the shade so that I don't have to carry an umbrella. Husband is a sun worshipper, so he doesn't need one. This chair rocks and is a lifesaver. Worth every penny.